In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn idioms and phrases. Part 1. Meanings and use. Number 1 idiom is at stake. Meaning in danger or risk. At issue. Sentences. Your money is at stake when you invest in unknown sources. Your company is at stake if you lose trust of your employees. Number 2. At a low ebb. Meaning in poor condition, decline or depression. Sentences. It was his ability to raise up his company that was at a low ebb. His business was at a low ebb because of unfavorable circumstances. Number 3. A fair weather friend. Meaning friend in good time. Sentences. A fair weather friend left him in the time of crisis. Be aware of him because he is just a fair weather friend. Number 4. At death's door. Meaning in a critical condition, near death. Sentences. He confessed his crime when he was at death's door. Honest people want to do good to others even when they are at death's door. Number 5. At large. Meaning roaming freely, on the run, in general, on the whole. Sentences. Be careful of the criminals at large in this city. The robber who broke out of the prison is still at large. You should not launch a project that is not liked by the public at large. He won the election and 4 constituencies came under his jurisdiction at large. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.